is up, guys? Welcome back. Today we are cutting some mock-up eggs out, and I will give you an update on the Suburban. So stay tuned to find out what's going on.
Take two.
Alright guys, so time for the update. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't get a whole lot of work footage per se because I'm pretty much in tight areas and I can't film myself doing little intricate sheet metal work on the Suburban. But I will give you an update and show you what we got going on. So last Friday, Eric, Steven, and Brian came up and they knocked out the front of the Suburban. I did get a little bit of video of that, and this is what that night looked like. Just kidding, I didn't get video of that. It was pretty much just chaotic and running around trying to figure out where we sat stuff down. Okay, where I sat stuff down at, and it was just a little chaotic. But thanks to those guys for coming up and knocking out the front. while I got the rear end sat up in. Everything is bolted in, bags, shocks, link bars. Gas tank cross member just needs finished welding. The compressors, I had to finagle them around in there just because the one side was hitting the Watts link bracket, so we just moved that over. That's all gonna work out. I got the tank brackets done. I just need to finalize welding the tank brackets, the cross member, that stuff. Right now I moved on to the sheet metal in the back. I got one tub tacked in. Today I'm going to be working on the other tub, and we're going to try to get that all, I'd like to get all that tacked in today. And then once I get all that tacked in, move to the front, get the front tubs tacked or welded in, tacked in. This thing, I'll be done with it, I think. Then it'll be off to Eric, Brian, and Steven to do what they do. Other than that, also, we got another project in. Hence the reason, I gotta get the welder out of the way. Hence the reason that I really gotta get the Suburban kind of finalized and sat down and out of here. Because we have a S10 in. That needs all that cut off and redone. I'm not sure who did it. I'm not pointing any fingers. It's not horrible, but there's some stuff. The rear end kind of walks around. It's not quite centered in the bed and frame. The forelink is kind of seized up, doesn't want to turn too much and can't adjust it too much. The shocks kind of hit the rear end. Anyway, basically, if you guys go back and watch the video where I back halved my S10, you know I cut that off of my frame, so I have a whole back half, which we are going to put right, how do weathermen do this? Right there. We're gonna put, there's a back half over there that we're gonna weld onto it. So that'll just take care of not having to try to redo the notches and everything. Basically all that is already done. All right, so I had some mic difficulties, and the rest of what I was just editing was messed up because the mic started to have a lot of static in it. And I just filmed a video right before this with the mic doing the exact same thing. So apparently my mic is bad and I need a new one. Cool. Anyway, what I was talking about was the differential bracket. This one, if anybody knew where that came from, I'm just kind of intrigued on where it might have came from. Like I was thinking Chassis Tech, airbagit.com, you know, those old school ones. I mean, apparently, I think the truck was built bagged like that 10 years ago. I don't know. Other than that, just kind of wondering. We're gonna get rid of it anyway. I'm just wondering where it came from. We're gonna get that fixed up. That'll be fun. We'll get the back half on that. As far as the Suburban, we're gonna next week get that back down on the ground. I know I keep saying that, but this time it's real. We got the website up and running, which means we have shirts on there too. So we got Graphic Disorder, who designed our logo, to print us shirts now. So if you want one of those, they look like this. Here's the website, or I'll drop a website link below. You can go check the website out. We'll eventually have parts and tabs and some mini truck art and stuff like that on there. We also have Graphic Disorder working on another shirt, or some more artwork for another shirt in the future. That'll be a good one. You'll like that one. For now, go check the website out. If you're interested in a shirt, order one. We'll get it sent out to you. Mini Nats is coming up It's about a month away, so we'll see you there. I'll be there filming that. What else? What else do we got going on? We got a lot of stuff going on. I haven't given up about videos. I just haven't posted any in the last, week or two, because progress on the Suburban has just been a little, not slow, but, you know, just trying to film it and work and get some stuff done. Other than that, I'm still here. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Do all the YouTube stuff, and we will see you next week. Keep on working.